So Mass Updates is one of the most commonly used modules. Its power and flexibility is unparalleled, and it allows you to quickly change a lot of items. But did you know that you can edit items individually from there? Let's take a look how. From Control Center, we'll navigate into Products, Mass Updates. Once you have your filter dialed in, the results on the right have a name, cost, and price field that are all editable. Simply click in the field to make a change. From here, I can use the navigation keys and edit the next record. All of this without my hand ever leaving the keypad. So from here, I can press the down arrow of the keyboard to navigate to the same field on the next item, where I can make a change there, allowing me to quickly set the cost or price of a lot of items without my hand ever leaving the keyboard. That's this edition of Fast Tracks Facts.